In this video, I will explain and demonstrate the different data types when working in TEAL. Whilst you may be familiar with more complex data types, in TEAL you will use either byte arrays or unsigned integers when manipulating or representing your data. Byte arrays are often used for representing strings of text, such as when comparing arguments passed in during an application call. For example, in this code snippet, it checks the first application argument as being the string vote, and if it matches, it will proceed to the voting branch. Byte arrays, as their name suggests, can store more than just text, but also raw bytes of data. For example, this public address is represented as a 58-byte character string, but all Algorand addresses are actually just 32 bytes of data which can be stored as hexadecimal, excluding the calculated checksum. So it is very common in TEAL to use 32-byte arrays when storing or making comparisons using Algorand addresses. Byte arrays are also used as the keys for all global and local state storage, so reading or writing to any state will require the use of a byte array. Now moving on to unsigned integers, these can only be positive numbers starting from 0. Typically you'll be using uint64s, which have a maximum value of 2 to the power of 64 minus 1. Any maths performed within a smart contract, which would result in an underflow or overflow of this range, would result in the evaluation failing and the transaction being rejected. You can convert between byte arrays and unsigned integers using the opcodes b to I and I to b, which may make more sense in the next video.